What's the meaning of chivalrous? Chivalrous. Chivalrous.
Chivalrous. Chivalrous. Chivalrous is an adjective that describes someone who displays honorable and courteous behavior, especially towards women. It is often associated with the concept of chivalry, which emphasizes the virtues of honor, loyalty, and bravery. A chivalrous person is one who upholds these values in their interactions with others, particularly in matters of love and courtship. This can manifest in various ways, such as offering to open doors for women, paying for meals on dates, or defending a woman's honor in the face of disrespect. Overall, a chivalrous person exemplifies the qualities of a true gentleman.